In this video, I'm going to show you how to undo in Figma. For example, if you perform an action, like deleting an element from your screen, and you want to reverse it, you can easily do that. The quickest way to undo is by using a simple keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard, and your last action will be undone immediately. If you're using a Mac, the equivalent would be Command and Z. Now, if you change your mind again and want to redo what you just undid, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Z on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Z on a Mac. This shortcut will redo the most recent action you reversed. But if you prefer not to use keyboard shortcuts and instead want to undo or redo using your mouse, there's another way to do it. Head to the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the Edit option. Once you do that, you'll see the Undo and Redo options listed there, along with their corresponding shortcut keys right next to them. You can simply click on Undo to reverse your last action, or click Redo to reapply it. And that's how you can undo in Figma with ease.